Here's a pair of the Soundcore Life Q20 Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to your Apple computer, iMac, or a MacBook via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and put these headphones into pairing mode, okay? So if you look at one side here where it has the power button, you can see the power button there. So these headphones are currently off. So let me press and hold, let me turn them on. Let me press and hold till I get a red light here, okay? I'm going to let go. Now it's turning on. Now I'll know it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue here, okay? I get a solid blue light right there, then it disappears. I don't get no blue blinking light would indicate that it's in pairing mode. Okay, the reason why you saw that little solid blue light for a while is because I'm connected to, I think, my my iPhone. Okay, so I got to go ahead and put these in pairing mode now. So let me turn these off first. Power button here, I'm going to press and hold till I see the red light. Holding. Okay, red light, let go. Now it's off. Now what I'm going to do is, instead of just turning it on, I'm going to press and hold that power button. I'm going to keep holding and wait until the light here starts blinking blue. So we'll do it together. Power button here, ready, set, go. Press and hold. Keep holding. It's turning on now. Keep holding. Wait for the blue blinking light. Still holding. Blue, blue, blue. Now it's in pairing mode, okay? So now it's blinking blue. It looks kind of white in the camera. But anyway, it's blue. Okay, so now we're still in pairing mode. So now we're going to go to our Apple computer, and you want to go to Bluetooth settings. You can click on the Apple logo, top left-hand side up there. And then we can go right down to system settings. And then we're going to go down here. We're going to tap on Bluetooth. Now make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Okay, now under nearby devices, these are all the devices that's near me that's in pairing mode. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode, and you can see the Soundcore Life Q20 is right there. So let me go ahead and go there, click on connect, give it 1 second, and now you can see connected Life QT. You can see that we're or Q20. Now we're connected. Okay, now you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.